instead of I call by
Hello,
name.
sir. Uh, Hello, sir. This is Vaishnavi Singh. So I'm totally from a healthcare background. I'm totally new to this concept of data and everything like Python going on. But since I've joined this class, it is really helping me a lot. Since you're like going going really slow to make everybody understand. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm totally getting getting a grip into this data concept and everything.
Okay. You are from which university, ma?
I'm from I've done my bachelor's in dentistry, sir. So from I've done from Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences from
Okay.
Bangalore.
Acha. In US, what are you doing?
In right here, I'm doing health informatics, sir, from in Sacred Heart University.
Okay. MS in health informatics.
Yes,
So this Python is going to be useful and helpful for you.
yes, sir. Yes.
And I am also able to make you to understand.
Yes, totally.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your kind feedback. And next one, please. Any one of you, maybe Vaishnavi, Niharika, or Priya. Any one of you, please.
Hello.
Yeah, ma. Please tell.
Yeah, hello, sir. This is
Yeah.
Priya. So, I'm totally new to this concept. I'm from non-IT background, and
Okay.
currently I'm on my H4 visa. So I
Okay.
still have, 1 year to work here.
Okay.
So I thought, what is the best way to start?
Acha.
So I am interested in, data analytics, and so that's why through Meher I came to know about this course. So I started doing it, and the way you are teaching it, it's very simple language. You are able to make us understand, and you wait for everyone to, say yes or no. Until then, you don't go to the other steps. So that the quality I like a lot,
Okay.
and overall my experience with this classes was very good.
Okay. So you find it is helpful for you.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Can I
Thank
request the next one to please give your feedback?
Hello, sir. This is
Uh,
Ashwini.
Yeah. Who is it?
Yeah,
Ashwini?
yeah.
Okay, Ashwini, ma. Please tell me,
I
ma.
already, as you already know, me, I spoke to you earlier.
Yeah,
I was
correct.
totally from a non-technical background, so
Okay.
I was much worried about the thing after masters. What should I do? And I am not even from the coding background. I don't know, not even a single line of code before.
Okay.
So I'm feeling very comfortable in your class. I got a confidence that I can do something after this.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. So last participant, Niharika, can you say something?
Yeah, hi sir. This is Niharika Banuri. I have
Okay.
finished my degree in 2019.
Okay.
Actually, I have a passion towards henna. I'm an henna artist in India.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know how to do programming.
Right. Right.
I
Okay.
realized that it won't work in the state where I was living.
Right. Correct.
I'm saying about my henna.
Okay.
I realized that it won't work in the state where I was living. So I have decided to become a software engineer.
Right.
Actually,
Okay.
I'm interested in learning Python.
Okay. So, uh, are the classes are helpful for you to gain some knowledge about Python?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So now, do you have any confidence that you can write some code in the Python?
Yeah.
So thank you for your feedback and